Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the week so far. Yesterday was a bit tough. Today seems better, all right? Knock on wood, but so far it seems better. So I wanted to keep you updated on Dogecoin. I mean, ultimately, let's be honest, not a lot has been going on with Dogecoin, so this is also going to be a little bit of a shorter video probably. But what we are seeing is some more bullish momentum creep into the markets, all right, and that's great. That was also as expected. What I always told you in my Dogecoin videos is that it was most likely when we broke down right here the 8th and the 9th of January. That we would drop down into the support level right here, which we also found after the bearish pressure in December. So that is what we did. But I always told you that we would hold that level and that there was a potential to actually turn bullish because of the Trump inauguration next week. And I think that is getting more likely. And that's for multiple reasons. I mean, first of all, if you just take a look at the technicals, I mean, obviously the market as a whole has bounced nicely in the last 24 hours. But for Dogecoin specifically, I think we have gotten confirmation that we are actually holding the range right here between 31.5 cents and then 34.5 cents. But we got a very strong bounce here. Like if you compare this bounce for like with the bounce that we had, is it the same time? Yeah. If you compare the bounce that we got for Dogecoin with other meme coins, Dogecoin is definitely one of the more stronger ones, especially if you compare the prices right now with the prices at the end of December. A lot of meme coins are trading much lower. And outside of that, what I think is even more interesting is that the volume for Dogecoin is actually starting to look pretty good. It's right now at $3.8 billion. The volume has increased has increased about 100% in the last 24 hours. The one thing I kind of still miss, though, is a bit of momentum, right? I mean, you can see on the 4-hour time frame here that we liquidated some shorts. So then the momentum obviously drops down. And you can see over the last 12 hours that we have seen a bit of an increase in open interest and a bit of an increase in leverage. I need to see, I think Dogecoin has a lot of potential, and that's what we talked about yesterday as well, right? The video the title of the video I made yesterday on Dogecoin was why I think Dogecoin can pump this week. So I definitely am ready, but I need to see a little bit more in terms of open interest. I'd love to see more momentum into the markets. I need to see a little bit more in terms of confirmation of the structure. I think we have a strong support right now here around 34.5 cents, including the 200 EMA right here on the 4-hour time frame. So what I'm looking for with Dogecoin personally to take a trade or to buy Dogecoin basically is a breakout here above 34.5 and 35 cents. If we can get that and we can actually accompany that with more open interest, basically more leverage, basically more momentum and more volume, also basically more momentum, then I'll buy. We'll aim for 36.5 cents. We'll aim for 39 cents as well. That's where I'll take some profits, and then we will kind of see if we can rally up higher ahead of the Trump inauguration. But this is what I'm looking for, and at the moment, I do think a move like this in the next week is most likely. But look, in the end, you have to make your own decision. But I'm personally not buying Dogecoin before we actually get that break. All right, so I do think that break is crucial, and before that, even though I do expect that move up, due to the inflation rate data coming out tomorrow, but also just in general due to the market circumstances, we can actually, and I do still expect that, we can actually have some volatility here in this range. I think the range holding has been confirmed. That doesn't mean the breakout has been confirmed. All right, so be careful with the breakout. Don't get caught in a fake out. Don't get caught in the volatility either, so stay away from the leverage. You don't really need it with Dogecoin. But ultimately, something like this is what I do think is most likely. So I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on my next videos. Bye.